In the realm of Ayurveda, few herbs rival the versatility and potency of Ramacham, also known as vetiver. Renowned for its myriad benefits for skin health, Ramacham has been treasured for centuries for its remarkable healing properties. Let's delve into the captivating world of Ramacham and uncover how it can transform your skincare routine. Understanding Ramacham. Ramacham, scientifically known as Vetiveria zizanioides, is a perennial grass native to the Indian subcontinent. Its roots, the primary source of its medicinal properties, have been revered in Ayurvedic medicine for their cooling and rejuvenating effects on the skin. Soothing and cooling properties. One of the most notable benefits of Ramacham lies in its ability to soothe and cool the skin. Its natural cooling properties make it particularly beneficial for calming inflammation, irritation, and sunburns. Whether used in the form of a topical application or as an ingredient in skincare products, Ramacham provides instant relief to irritated skin, leaving it feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Antibacterial and antifungal benefits. Ramacham exhibits potent antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it an effective remedy for various skin infections and conditions. Whether dealing with acne, eczema, or fungal infections, Ramacham helps inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria and fungi, promoting clearer and healthier looking skin. Oil regulating and balancing effects. For those with oily or acne prone skin, Ramacham offers a natural solution for regulating sebum production and balancing oil levels. By controlling excess oiliness, Ramacham helps minimize the risk of clogged pores, breakouts, and acne flare-ups, resulting in a clearer and more balanced complexion. Skin rejuvenation and anti-aging effects. Ramacham is rich in antioxidants, which help protect the skin from free radical damage and environmental stressor. Its rejuvenating properties stimulate cell renewal and collagen production, promoting firmer, smoother, and more youthful-looking skin. Regular use of Ramacham-infused skincare products can help diminish the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and other signs of aging, revealing a radiant and revitalized complexion. Hydrating and moisturizing benefits. Ramacham contains hydrating properties that help replenish moisture and prevent dehydration, keeping the skin soft, supple, and hydrated. Whether used as a facial mist, toner, or moisturizer, Ramacham provides long-lasting hydration without clogging pores or leaving a greasy residue, making it suitable for all skin types, including dry and sensitive skin. Incorporating Ramacham into your skincare routine. Incorporating Ramacham into your skincare routine is simple and effortless. You can find Ramacham in various forms, including essential oils, hydrosols, and skincare products. Whether you prefer to DIY your skincare concoctions or opt for ready-to-use formulations, Ramacham offers a natural and effective solution for achieving radiant, healthy, and glowing skin. Reduction of hyperpigmentation and dark spots. Ramacham contains natural skin lightening properties that help reduce the appearance of hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and blemishes. Regular use of Ramacham-infused products can help even out skin tone and promote a more luminous complexion, restoring confidence and radiance to your skin. Soothing relief for skin conditions. For those with sensitive or easily irritated skin, Ramacham offers gentle and soothing relief. Its anti-inflammatory properties help calm redness, itching, and inflammation associated with conditions such as rosacea, dermatitis, and psoriasis. Incorporating Ramacham into your skincare routine can help alleviate discomfort and promote a healthier, more balanced complexion. Improvement of skin texture and smoothness. Ramacham contains properties that help improve skin texture and smoothness, leaving your skin feeling soft, velvety, and touchably smooth. Whether dealing with rough patches, uneven texture, or dryness, Ramacham can help restore your skin's natural suppleness and vitality, enhancing its overall appearance and feel. Enhanced skin healing and wound repair. Ramacham has been traditionally used for its wound healing properties, aiding in the repair and regeneration of damaged skin tissues. Its antiseptic and antimicrobial properties help prevent infection and promote faster healing of cuts, burns, and abrasions. Incorporating Ramacham into your skincare routine can help promote healthier, more resilient skin, minimizing the risk of scarring and promoting a smoother complexion. Reduction of under eye puffiness and dark circles. Ramacham's cooling and soothing properties make it an effective remedy for reducing under eye puffiness and dark circles. Whether caused by lack of sleep, allergies, or genetics, Ramacham can help alleviate swelling and discoloration, leaving the delicate skin around the eyes looking refreshed, rejuvenated, and visibly brighter. Protection against environmental damage. In today's modern world, our skin is constantly exposed to environmental stressors such as pollution, UV radiation, and free radicals, which can accelerate aging and damage the skin barrier. Ramacham's antioxidant properties help neutralize free radicals and protect the skin from environmental damage, keeping it healthy, resilient, and youthful looking. By harnessing the multifaceted benefits of Ramacham, you can achieve not only beautiful but also healthy and resilient skin. Whether you are seeking to address specific skin concerns or simply enhance your natural beauty, Ramacham offers a holistic approach to skincare that nourishes, protects, and revitalizes the skin from within. Embrace the wisdom of Ayurveda and let Ramacham unveil the true potential of your skin, leaving you glowing with confidence and vitality. In conclusion, Ramacham stands as a testament to the wisdom of Ayurveda in promoting skin health and beauty. Its soothing, cooling, and rejuvenating properties make it a valuable addition to any skincare regimen. Embrace the transformative power of Ramacham and unlock the secret to radiant and luminous skin, naturally.